Yes, let's talk about Ukraine. I have not talked about Ukraine in a while when it comes to Eurovision this time. It feels like a little bit. Ukraine has not been on my radar a little bit, but wait, let's see. I did a short video a week ago, I think, how the polls were saying about Ukraine, and Ukraine is in qualification act round. They are in semifinal 2, and according to the polls, they are in the top 4. So anyway, let's see Ziferblat with Bird of Prey for Ukraine. Why do I feel I want to say Georgia, but Ukraine? I mean, I gotta say, I'm already sold with this. This siren vocal opening is gorgeous. I'm sold right here. This is the winning thing. Wow. A new look. A new look. He went from Ukraine to haute couture. I miss the blue. Keep the pants and have this jacket in blue. Honey bun, you should not wear white. I mean, I'm gonna say, I have always told my mother I want to bleach my hair for years. I've told her I want to have that hair color for years, and she was like, you are too pale to bleach your hair blonde. This is the reason. I don't think, I mean, he looks good in blonde, but he should not wear white. He's too washed out. No, I think you need some color. Whoever styled, hey, the stylist, don't put him in white in your vision. He should have colors. That man should not wear white. No, I feel like a stylist today. I love that. I mean, I love the hair, but not white. Maybe there was a purpose on the white, but I still like this song. I like this song still. This is beautiful. Oh, we have a dress reveal.
Where do you go? I'm begging you, please just leave. Share my heart with someone who loves you. I'm begging you. Please share my heart with someone who cares. Oh, me and my little bird.
I like this. Aww. I think this was beautiful. I mean, I'm gonna say I like the outfit. The only thing I didn't like was the color. I didn't like it on him. But other than that, I think this was a beautiful performance from Ukraine, and I think they will do better than people think. I think the Ukraine will they can pull off a top 10 placement in the Eurovision finals. Do you think we're only like less than 2 weeks away? Less than 2 weeks away until it all starts. Anyway, I think this was a beautiful performance from Ukraine, and I think they will do good in Eurovision, so Oh hi, you're still here. Have you? I hope you have not forgotten to subscribe. So subscribe here and look for the recommended video over here and end credit now. Bye.